This, we have the training. We need the training. You're right, I don't understand why I didn't think this before. Future Venom? Like, that's something mad. And how we stop using the Carnage powers? No! It's mine! I took the oath of Carnage. When are you going to understand? He might have took the oath of Carnage, but he didn't take the full symbiote. What are you talking? You can't control Carnage for long, Harry Osborn. Because we have our own Carnage. That is correct. How many Carnages are there? How many do you think? Carnage Venom? Or should we say Harry Osborn? Because that's who you really are. You should have joined us when you had the chance. I can't believe you stuck with Petty Peter Parker. Hey! That's not my name. I don't care. It's what I call you. I'll try to say, if only Iron Man was here, he would be able to stop you. No one. Iron Man's gone. Okay? Speaking of which, how many times are you gonna remind me of that? Every bloody time, Peter. Now, how about you give us Harry Osborn as our prize, and we'll give you back Carnage. Deal? No. No deal. No deal. There's no deal at all. Well then, I guess you're gonna have to understand that my son will always join us. No, I won't, Father. You're not in control of me. I'm not your prized possession. Just because I'm your son doesn't mean that I would listen to you. Harry, calm. No. This is more power than I ever thought, than I ever felt, and I will use it to its limit. Carnage. Gwen, me and Miles will deal with the villain. You make sure you get Harry out of here. Gotcha. Let's do this. Hey! What about me? Lewis. You're dealing with the villains too. Okay. Let's do it. Hey, yeah! Gwen, go! No! Let's get over this. Yeah! Yeah! So you may have stopped us. But you can't stop this. What? Me. I'm the Sinister. 4, or should I say 5 now, will not stop until you're gone. We all won't stop. Spider-Man will be dead. No. I'm not dying. I'm sorry, Harry. I'm sorry, Peter. Harry, don't do this. I can't control the symbiote long enough. Welcome to the team. Carnage. No! No! Sorry. I can't control it. He's taking over again. Help me, Peter. I told you not to do this. Give me the symbiote. Now, who are you? You already know who I am, Father. Harry? Yes. But how? How is there two of you? I'm from the future. And I came back in time again to fix this. How many times do I have to come back in time? Give me the symbiote. Now. Okay. No! Thank you. I need to get out of here now. Okay. Well. So. Future Harry. Look. I'm never going to join you. At least I go with the symbiote. You did the right thing letting go. What are you doing? You really think that I wasn't going to let my future self get cleansed? Well then, I guess we have another villain now. Looks like we have one. No, this can't be. Not evil. Yes, I am Peter. No, no. It's Gwen. You really think you know what Gwen would be now? I'm here. Gwen! What took you so long? I don't know, but I'm here, and Future Venom's on the wrong side? The symbiote has cleansed Harry, and now we can stop them. Get them! I don't understand. You can't stop us. We are the Sinister. And you can't stop us. I'll come back every time you stop them. 'Cause I'm the Green Goblin, their valiant leader. So, how about you just let yourself die, Gwen? No. How about no? Gwen, since when did you have the power of lightning? Since I became the Spider. Since I became Spider-Gwen, I have these natural beams of lightning coming out of me, and I never used them. And now, I know what it means. I, the next lightning ninja. What? But that's... No! Can't be true, there's no... I know, but there's already a lightning ninja, his name's Toby. But that means... Wait a minute. Peter, yeah? Sam's calling me in my communicator. I have to answer. Okay. Sam, what is it? Something's going on. There's too many events to explain. Even Lava Snake has brought back Thanos, and Future Venom is on their side. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Lewis, take a risk. Even if you haven't finished your training, we need your help now. Your decision. No. They need me, but I haven't finished yet. Seriously, I seriously haven't finished my training. But they need me back there. Look, I understand, Lou, but you shouldn't go. You haven't finished yet. We always need a second Spider-Man. Sam, I can't come back yet, okay? But we need you. No. Sorry. They need me more. I need to finish the training. If I don't... well then I guess, what the heck. But I need to finish this, okay? Okay, I understand. But when we need you, come. I will. When I'm done. Okay? Okay. Sam, there's a problem though. What? It's a blast into the future. Gwen Stacy has lightning powers. What? I know. Right? It's confusing. I thought Toby was the only lightning ninja. But it looks like as soon as we finish destroying Thanos, these ninjas will be over. I don't think we'll last the ninjas forever, Lewis. I mean, I'm not a ninja anymore, remember? True. I mean, yes, you still technically are the Black Ninja, but you're Spider-Man as well, and we're not the ninjas anymore. We're the next Avengers. But it seems like we won't last as the ninjas forever, because look who has the lightning powers. Gwen. I know. It's just strange. Let's get out of here. Gwen Stacy has lightning powers, and I don't know where the heck Lava Snake's gone, but let's go. You're not in charge. I'm the leader. Can you just listen to me for 1 second, Green Goblin? Fine. Hey guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Like as I always say, and I guess this sounds strange, but peace out. We are Venom. Peace out.